From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 44 of NECO 2025 is on plane geometry, specifically on similar triangle. It says, find the value of x in this figure. So by similar triangle, this angle is similar to the bigger triangle. And so if here is MN, we know that AMN is similar to ABC. So that AM over AB is equal to AN over AC is equal to MN over BC. And so using this relationship, with this first two, we can get the job done. AM is X. This is AB. AB is X plus 8. AN is 9. AC is 9 plus 6, which is 15. And so to find S, we cross multiply. 15x will be 9x. 9 times 8 is 72. Subtract 9s from both sides. 15s minus 9s is 6x equals 72. So divide both sides by 6. X is 6 here is 1 into 12 is 2. S is 12. So that is C. Thank you for watching.